Hey, what's up, my millionaire brother? So, what's going on? In the crypto market as losing very highly. All cryptocurrencies and crypto market very badly falls down, my friends. You can see here Bitcoin also falls down minus 11.01%, and you can see here Ethereum also minus 12%. Binance, XRP, every cryptocurrency just Tether as I think that time 1% going up. Otherwise, all cryptocurrency Cardano is also going falls down. Dutch coin and those just going very fastly up. But I can't believe it. So how is it possible? Minus 7.18% they falls down, my friend. All cryptocurrencies go down. But today we talk about this in this video the Theta network to what's going on in the Theta network also minus 21.95% falls down, my friends. Very bad position. You can see here this time they occur, and in the last previous days they're going up very fastly. In the first 7 days minus 10.8 US dollar as the latest price, and the last previous day they going up very fastly. But I can't believe this. So how is it possible today fails down very badly? Let's see. This is the live price prediction of Theta network. I also show you in this video prediction of Theta network what's my prediction, and I hope in upcoming days they're going up. But I gotta show you with the proof. You can see here this time in the last 2 hours they fails down, my friend. Minus 15.56% they falls down change occurred, you can see here. And my friends, 12.79 per is the latest price of Theta network. They falls down 13 US dollar to 15, but I think they can cross it 15 US dollar just at the end of this month. How is it possible? I talk you in this video. Okay, my friend, in the last 24 in the last 2 hours, if you can see here, this is the you can see here what just a minute. This is the resistance line. If you can see here, you can see here this is circulation, fails, jump, fails, and absolutely this is jump time, my friend. So when they going up exactly, they give you very easily, they can give you 15 US dollars. So our target is very high, my friend. The good time is coming soon. Wait just for a good time. Let's see to what's going on in the last 24-hour result, because the last 24-hour result I think also going very badly falls down. And I think yes, absolutely, you can see here in the last 24-hour charts they are gone very badly falls down, my brother. So what we do in this critical situation? Everybody, can you say what we do in this critical situation? Because if you can see here, they are very badly falls down, and I think this is holding time. Absolutely, this time if you could sell it, they give you a very bad loss. They are you are lost. But please wait just for the end of this month. I hope they give you very good price. They make you a millionaire exactly. They on this time you can see here again starting jumping, my friend. But this time you can see here they fails down very badly. But I hope the good time is coming soon, my friend. So Theta network holder, please hold it. Don't sell it, and the good time is coming soon. I hope just sell it, and and the end of this month, I hope they make you a millionaire. They give you 15 US dollar. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.